So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sell on eBay. So first of all, you will need to log in, and after you've logged in, you will see here hi and then your first name. You can open it up. You can see the name that you've added, your ID or your username. You can see account settings and sign out. I suggest you click on account settings. Now through there you can see personal info, sign in, feedback, and you can see the entire selling tab all by itself. So just scroll down a bit. You can see the seller dashboard, seller account, subscriptions, and seller capital. Go to seller dashboard first. From there you can see your seller dashboard, and you can see sell your first item on eBay to see your seller dashboard, and you can click start selling, or if you're still unsure what to do with your seller account, you can even learn the selling basics. Click on start selling. From there you can see the ad, make money selling on eBay, sell your items fast, millions of buyers are waiting. Click on list an item, and you can then put in what you're selling. So you can type in something. So they will give you some advice on what's. So let's click on here just to list something. After that, when you get to this page, you can find a match for something that you want to sell. You can even continue without a match. Disclose some information, so you can just put in this, for instance. And after that, you can add a picture, add some other options. You can see your listing tool. You can add stuff to it. And once you're done, you can scroll all the way down and you can click on listed. So that will be about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.